My name's Stuart White. I'm a principal at Stenham House Dental Surgery in Surbiton, and come here today for the Perio conference. It actually works very well. The conference itself is good, but I'm quite impressed with the trade show. There are lots of stands here, far more than usual. So that for me has been quite valuable. I picked up a few contacts, made some inquiries, a couple of small things like Cavo fibre optic bulbs I was looking for, got those. So yeah, that's impressive, and it makes the day more interesting.
We go to the big shows and it could be nurses and receptionists that are going to be buying, are walking around the equipment, but they're only really walking around because their boss is probably buying it and they're just having a quick look. Whereas here, it seems like it's more people that actually want to buy the equipment because they're interested in it and they want it at their practice.
If you do like the big shows, generally people walk around with a bag, filling it up with anything they can get, whereas here it's a lot different. You're getting sort of more education, and they're wanting to learn. They come to you because they've got questions, they want the answers.
From a purely sales perspective and also seeing clients, we saw the decision makers that leads on to making the right decisions. So that's why I decided to come again this year. This year we've seen new and existing clients that have stimulated a lot more opportunity for our business. So I would recommend the show going forward. Any business in dentistry should be in these sort of shows.
I think that a show like this, where the delegates are paying to be here, will naturally draw to it those who have a serious interest, a business interest in moving forward, either as an individual dentist or as a practice owner. That, from our perspective, is a very, very positive thing.
We found it a very enjoyable show so far. It's been well attended. We've had quite a lot of visitors to the stand and some positive leads to work on for the future.
Well, we exhibited at the show last year and it was very successful for us. I have to say it hasn't disappointed again this year. It's been very good, high quality clientele. These are people that are interested in investing in their future and developing their skills. And these are the sort of people that we want to work with as a laboratory. So we'll be looking to book again for next year.
With regards to the exhibition, I think it was very well organised. The layout was great, giving every company very good visibility.
It's been very well organised, but the actual people that we have been able to speak to has been very good actually. So very good. Key leads, very good.
Spoke to a lot of dentists, took a lot of orders, which is what we're here for.
There's been a mixture of people, but mainly there has been dentists and practice managers coming along, which is a very good thing because that's not what you get at a trade show. So this is purely focused for people who make the decisions for their practices.
It's a good way of us actually sourcing business and gaining referral from dentists. We've managed to source quite a few leads today, so that's been really, really good.
Definitely like the layout of the fact that you're not in a separate room, which often at events you're sort of tucked away and then you don't see the actual dentist when they come out. I think also the idea that you have of the CPD, where they have to get the document either stamped or signed by the companies to show that they have been speaking to various trade companies, is an excellent idea. I think that's really good.
Yeah, it's good. It's not a show that we've exhibited at before, so didn't really know what to expect, but we've been busy. Lots of new leads for education and courses, which is great, and some interesting products. So yeah, so far been happy with the show.
My name is Dr. Shirazi. I'm a dentist and I work here in London. Today I represent SS Biomat, a British implant manufacturer. If somebody was to ask me my opinion about this show, I would say that as an exhibitor, don't miss the opportunity to meet dentists. And as a dentist, I think it's a fantastic opportunity to have more one-on-one time. Usually at the larger exhibitions where there are thousands of stands, you don't get the time, and the exhibitors unfortunately don't have the time to give you that personal touch. We've had that opportunity here today.